Hello, welcome. Welcome to the course Python with Machine Learning and Data Science. I am super excited to start this course with you. But before we start, we need to see where we are starting and where we are ending up. So we have a clear path to get the success. Now in this course, we have 50 plus videos and tons of exercise and project. But they all are broken down into the section to help you to understand better. The course is started with the basic of Python. If this is your first learning a programming language, it's going to be a super helpful even for those who know a programming language already but don't know anything about Python. This section is going to get caught up with the speed with the basics so that you will feel comfortable with the programming. This is the big section. So we actually have a two parts of the basics. Along with you are going to watch me to code but also code yourself and practice coding so that you get comfortable with what the Python has to offer. Next, we will talk about professional Python development environment. We talk about Spider IDE. This IDE is useful in understanding the code better. We teach you how to use terminal and the command line about using the code editors like Sublime Text and Visual Studio, Spider, PyCharm, a fully integrated idea for the Python developers, and also how to use Jupyter Notebook because we are going to use these notebook later on the courses to do some really exciting things. And once we have a fully professional environment, we then get into some advanced topic of Python. Now this section we are going to shy away from any tough topic, but I am going to help you to understand them and make it sense of it. We are going to talk about classes, object oriented programming, about decorators, generators, file handling, function programming, as well as best practices when it comes to how to write a clean code. And well, we will also learn about popular packages, how to work with the files, how to test our code, how to use regular expression and much more. By the end of this section, it's going to be a fun, trust me. After that, we are going to talk about careers and career option of your Python in the field of development, right? Then we go to into the different field that where we can use Python. After that, we are going to learn about scripting in Python, where we use Python to send automatic mails and live translator and much more. We use Python to process images work with PDF files. We use Python to send ourselves text messages, and we built some interesting project we will going to discuss little bit later. I know it's really a funny exercise for you. We will also talk about data scripting. A very common use case with the Python is to scrap data from online and use it from somewhere productive. I know I'm saying all these projects are fun, but okay, right now I'm biased. We will do it on all in the coming classes. And after that, we will implement the project on everyday's favorite topic, machine learning and data science and artificial intelligence. Okay, next part is machine learning and data science. In this, we are going to use something called Spider IDE and the Kaggle to access some of the cool and interesting data sets. And also after that, we are going to do some projects. Some projects are optical character recognition, language translator, image processing and classification, chatbots, speech to text, text to speech, breast cancer classification, live language translator, cancer and tumor detection, automatic mail sender, QR code generator, and many more. And by the end of it, all it's going to fit it together to make it sense from every very beginning of the Python basics to the very end with the machine learning. We are going to take you from zero to mastery. But you know what? The best part of the course is our online community. We have a group of developers and the student, those chatting every day and helping each other to solving problems together and just talking about latest and greatest in the programming. Now this is an optional resource for you to use. so you can back and forth conversation with the other student and myself. So you will free like you are the part of a classroom and you are not doing this all alone. Okay guys, this all about the course, and in the next tutorial we will explore about what is programming language and why are we need programming language and much more. Till then, enjoy learning.